ScottishPower offers peace of mind for all the customers. We choose the highest quality products, we choose the highest quality installers, we have the highest possible levels of support. So when the customer buys a charger from ScottishPower, they're sent a link via their mobile phone to an online survey, show us where they want the charge point to go. They can show us things like the fuse box, where they would expect the cable to run, and that gets all the information required for the installation partner to then get things organised so that the installation can take place. Our installation partner, Plug Me In, would come in, do a full installation of the charge point, including all the circuitry, the protection, the load management device as well. And then when they leave, they will make sure the customer's got a full understanding of how the charge point works. It has an EIC and electrical installation certificate to confirm the installation, and all the support helpline numbers that they need for any support going forward. So on the day of the installation itself, the customer will have to be at home. There will need to be clear access to the main switchboard in the house where the electricity supply comes in, and all the parts of the house that are going towards the charger and the driveway itself will need to be kept clear so the installation partners can come in to do the installation works itself. The charger goes on its own separate circuit. It has a load protection device fitted. That allows prioritisation of the other electrical equipment in the house, so you're not drawing more electricity than your house can provide. We also fit a surge protection device, and there's also circuit protection devices within that circuit as well for the home charger. So there's multiple layers of protection there. The job itself should take around about 2 to 3 hours. There will be a short interruption to the electricity supply as all the final connections are made. Before the installer leaves, they will make sure that there's a full demonstration carried out with the charge point. They'll make sure the customer's got all the documentation required. So this is all documentation that comes with the charge point itself. They'll show the customer the app that's specific to the charge as well, make sure they're all set up with that and know how to use it. And then if there's any additional support required after that, we've got the team at ScottishPower ready to help the customers with any issues that come up with the charge point. So for peace of mind, each charger comes with a 3-year warranty, and that's supported by the ScottishPower experts who are on call 24/7 to deal with any technical queries the customers might have. 9 times out of 10, if there's an issue with the charge point, that can be solved remotely. No, you don't need one, but ScottishPower do offer an EV-specific tariff that gives beneficial rates to drivers who are charging overnight. You need a smart meter in order to take advantage of that, but you can sign up to it at any time.